How does Brembo bring AI-powered four-wheel independent braking to the people? This Italian manufacturer of automotive braking systems is bringing AI-powered four-wheel independent braking to the masses with its new Sensify system. Sensify uses a combination of artificial intelligence, electric actuators, and sensors to apply precise braking force to each wheel independently. This allows the system to compensate for different road conditions, vehicle loads, and driving styles. Brembo is making Sensify more affordable and accessible to mass-market brands by using modular design and scalable components. The system can be configured to fit a wide range of vehicles, from small cars to SUVs. Here are some of the key ways that Brembo is making Sensify more accessible to the masses. Using a modular design. Sensify is designed as a modular system, which means that it can be easily adapted to different vehicles. This reduces the cost and development time for automakers to integrate Sensify into their vehicles. Scalable components. Brembo is using scalable components for Sensify, such as its electric actuators and sensors. This means that the system can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each vehicle, without incurring significant additional costs. Partnering with mass-market automakers. Brembo is partnering with mass-market automakers to bring Sensify to a wider range of consumers. For example, Brembo has announced that it will supply Sensify to Toyota for its next-generation BZ4X electric SUV. Brembo expects Sensify to go into production in 2025. The company believes that Sensify has the potential to revolutionize automotive braking, making vehicles safer and more efficient. In addition to the above, Brembo is also working to reduce the cost of Sensify by using more affordable materials and manufacturing processes. The company is also working to increase the volume of production, which will help to further reduce costs. Brembo's goal is to make Sensify the standard braking system for all vehicles, regardless of price or performance. The company believes that this will make roads safer for everyone,